When someone visits you for the first time and they come to your house, they don't know where is the kitchen, where is the bedroom, where is the washroom. And same is the case with the users who start using your apps and websites. They don't know what they need to do with these websites, how to log in, how to sign up. You need to guide your users, you need to train them at every point, and you need to show them videos, illustrations, guide them in the direction. You need to show them different pop-ups on different areas that this is going to do this and how you can do or use this feature. You might have seen a lot of these kind of images on onboarding experience when you start using some app. This is called onboarding experience for new users. Let me show you some of the ways you can improve your users' guidance and training. I have seen a lot of apps these days. What they do is they send periodic emails on different features of their app or website. And they have some training videos in them, or they have some guides in them on how to use that feature. Also, Adobe and many other companies like Sketch, Bohemian Sketch and other popular softwares, what they are doing is they have free video trainings on their websites to train new users. Similarly, if someone is filling a form, you can give them a help text when something goes wrong so they can easily fix it. Now here are some of the onboarding experience. You can also call them walkthroughs, how to use that feature on the new app. You can see this is Carousel and it is showing the user that how you can share and keep photos, all the buttons. So these are different ways you can introduce new users to new features. You can see over here, these are, we have handpicked your reading list based on our most popular stories. Slide to start reading. So these are different ways you can show your user. You can introduce your user with different features. You can show these walkthrough screens or onboarding screens at the start of your app, or whenever the user tries to use a new feature. This is another screen from patterns.com and it is also called onboarding screens. You can see it is going to show some of the things you can do and also some of the welcoming messages that welcome to this feature. You can see now they have used pop-up on this screen over here. Pop-up on different inbox, today, upcoming, anytime, someday, and the information about it. On this screen on the left, you can see they are introducing two buttons, which is queue next and queue last. Because they are unrecognized or unfamiliar patterns or new icons, they have to introduce it to the users that these icons to these features, or you can use them like that. Adobe Experience Design or XD is a new tool, and you can see over here on the Adobe website, they have the beginner and experienced both videos for both the levels. If you are a beginner, you can see different videos to get started with this software, and if you are an experienced user, you can switch to experienced and see different videos and train yourself. Similarly, I have showed this website before, Pillowise, and it shows different videos on how to take measurements of your shoulders and neck widths and circumferences and all that to select your pillow. Now this is a tool I bought for my trigger points, and you can see they sent me with this product a user guide where they have showed everything, how to use it and how to press different trigger points and where they can be located. So this is a how to guide along with this back knobber. So this is really helpful. A lot of products are giving these kind of guides free with their products, so user can start using their product instantly. So this is all about training your user and guiding them to achieve their goal. If you have any questions, do ask me. Let's move on to the next lesson.